Alright, now that you've purchased the product, we're going to train you how to use it. This is Volume 1, Getting Started, how to log in, navigate the home page, and create a project file. Okay, let's get started. So the first thing you're going to need to do is go into your address bar and type in www.C2RouteAPP.com. And that's going to bring up your default home screen. You have your username and your password, so I'm just going to type mine in. And naturally, if you forget your password, you can click on this and it'll walk you through a prompt. And you'll need to have the email you signed up with to retrieve your password. I'm going to go ahead and click login here. Before we get to the projects, I'll just walk you through some of the aspects of this screen. We have an About tab, which generally gives you an idea of what the product does. You can read that on your own time. And then we also have this Help Desk. This is pretty important. So right here you have, if you have any problems that you can't solve yourself, or if you just would like us to help you, that's no problem, call us anytime. You can use this phone number here, and you can contact us at any of these emails, sales, support, and we'll be more than happy to help you anytime, any day of the week. So moving along, here's your quick start guide. Gives you the basic 5 steps to get going. And then you have your help documentations. This has our update release notes, and it has really in-depth guides of all the settings you can set. If you'd like to, you can go ahead and read those yourself. It has a scenario guide. So getting started is important too. If it's your first time, I recommend you download and read through that. This video is going to serve as a complement to the Getting Started guide. And then down here you'll see tutorial videos. We are going to start adding a lot more of these, including this video that I'm talking on right now. And then we have some sample data and templates. And then we have our technical FAQs down here. Alright, so I'm going to go back to home. If you need to verify your account settings information, you can click the Account Settings button at the top. Here we have the account settings page. It'll show you your login, the name you are registered under, your company name, and more importantly, it'll show you what email you are registered in. So if you ever have an issue, you have to change your password, it's going to ask you for that email, and it'll send it to just that email. It will not send it to us at C2Logic, so once you change your password, we will not be able to retrieve it. You have to retrieve it via your email. And if you ever wanted to change your email, you can go ahead and change it here. Now we're back on the home screen. We're going to go ahead and start a new project here. So we're going to go over to Create a New Project. Click that button. Now the only thing you have to enter in here is a project name. So we'll just call this Training Demo. Now if you wanted to put a service option in there, you could say version 1. And if you want to put a description in there, my market for that day would be Chicago. So I'll put in Chicago. And any notes are just for your own reference. I'll get to cloning from a project later in the training, so let's skip that for now. So I'm going to go ahead and create this project. And that's how you start your project. Now I'm going to end this video right now, and you'll pick up in Volume 2 on how to get started editing your project. And that is Volume 1 of training. As always, if you have any comments or questions, feel free to contact us. Have a great day.